This is how I wrap my knees at night. In the morning, I feel a huge difference. It's part of a homemade ritual that starts with simple ingredients. Take half a cup of warm water and add a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties and helps relieve joint tension, while the flour gives the paste the right consistency. Stir slowly until the ingredients combine into a smooth, uniform mixture. Then, add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of salt. Cinnamon will warm and improve circulation, providing relief from pain, while salt has anti-swelling properties and supports regeneration. The paste will become warm and slightly grainy. It's ready to apply to your knee. Apply a thin layer and gently massage it in. Wrap with plastic wrap to secure it and create occlusion. Cover with a towel. Leave it on for several minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. It's best to leave it on overnight. Then, simply wipe off the remaining paste with a paper towel. Your knee will feel noticeably lighter, and the tension and discomfort will fade away. The pain will vanish, a natural relief you can trust.